Hello, today I'm gonna review my own cooking because I spent too much damn money doing all these reviews, but that's okay. I should only be doing this like maybe 1 or 2 days and then I'll be back at it. So today I'm gonna make some chicken Alfredo. Oh boy, look at that. That's gonna be good when I gets it plated. Oh, I got it mixed up. Look at that. One of my followers named Dina shows her cooking some really good looking stuff. This is gonna be good, but probably not as good as she would make it. But we're gonna see. I'll review it in a minute. All right, time to eat. Look here. Now, we're gonna scoops. I gotta twirls it. And here we go. Now, I like my own cooking, so to be fair, I won't give myself a 10, even though it is pretty good. So I gives my chicken Alfredos, I'm gonna have to say a 9.